So let us start. Okay. So let us begin. So yesterday we have discussed frontier molecular orbitals, how to draw these frontier molecular orbitals for the various, various conjugated systems, and we have seen their symmetry. Now let us begin with the allylic system. So your simplest allylic system is this one. This is your allylic carbocations, anion, or you may have allylic. So how you will draw frontier molecular orbitals for these systems? How you will draw? So what you have in this system, you have a pi bond. So corresponding pi bond, you have pi star antibonding molecular orbital. And here you have either positive charge, negative charge, or a free radical. So what will be third thing here? This is in conjugation. So here what you will have? This negative charge is present in which orbital? Or this positive charge is present in which orbital? Or this single electron is present in which orbital?
sp2 unhybridized.
sp2 hybridized orbital. No. P kar do bete. A negative charge. This is in conjugation with this double bond. This positive charge, this free radical, single electron, they all are present in which orbital?
Sir, unhybridized.
Unhybridized p atomic orbital. So you have a three system here: pi, pi star, and p atomic orbital. So yes, which one will be lowest in energy? So what will be your psi1? How to draw? It will be
Sir, psi pi plus pi star plus p.
No, pi star बेटा थोड़ा अपा करते हैं ground state है when we write bonding
Pi
molecular
plus p,
orbitals. ठीक है ना? The anti-bonding molecular orbital, this is always of higher energy. So you have pi and plus p. So this is your pi atomic orbital, and this one is minus plus minus. So this is your pi plus p. Now second one.
Sir, pi minus p.
Pi minus p. So you can have pi minus p. So you will have pi plus minus, or what else you can have with the same energy?
p minus pi.
No, p minus pi the same thing होगी ना? With same energy. अगर pi the विचों p subtract करो, ठीक है? Its energy will be higher, or p you can add p atomic orbital to pi star. So both will be good. So you will have plus minus. So they will represent the same energy. And this upper one, last one,
pi star minus p.
So this, yeah, will be your
Sir, pi
antibond.
star plus p वाली से subtract नहीं होगे?
हाँ जी बेटे, कह रहे हो?
Sir, pi star plus p वाला क्यों? आई additive है ना sir?
बेटे पाई स्टार प्लस पी वाला इस करके जिन्ने भी थोड़े कोले एलाइलिक सिस्टम ने, ठीक है, चाहे वो सिंगल बॉन्ड है, ठीक है, सिंपल एलाइलिक सिस्टम है, दो वाले एलाइलिक सिस्टम ने, इन्हां दे विच की होएगा हमेशा देयर विल बी ए वन नॉन बॉन्डिंग molecular, they are odd, तीन बने ने ना, so it is odd. So this one will be your bonding molecular orbital, and this one will be your anti-bonding molecular orbital. Now, if you look over here, you have a pi bonding molecular orbital, and if you subtract a p atomic orbital from it, that means its energy will increase. You have a pi star, its energy is higher, and if you do a additive overlapping of p atomic orbital, its energy will decrease. So both will have same energy. Is it clear?
Minus the sign नहीं आएगा sir होते p वाले चे.
कितने बेटे यहाँ?
Sir, हाँ जी sir, इधर जो तो p वाला draw कितना plus
हाँ,
minus.
yes. Sorry. It will be like this. Yes. Is it clear now?
Yes sir.
Okay, good. Okay. So these three atomic orbitals are there. Now in the first case, in psi1, a number of nodes. Psi1 number of nodes on the CSE. If you have a psi n, number of nodes are n minus 1. So what are number of nodes in first case?
Zero है sir.
Zero. So the number of nodes are 0. What about its symmetry? Mirror?
Asymmetry, sir.
Mirror asymmetric? बेटे की करते हो अगर ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ n n was d2 symmetric ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਦੇਖਾਂਗੇ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਸੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਿਮੈਟਰੀ ਦੇਖਣੀ ਹੈ we always put symmetry element from the middle ਤਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ symmetry meant exactly into two equal half. So this is your mirror symmetric C2 asymmetric. What about this one, psi2, which is a non-bonding molecular orbital?
Sir, one node.
It has one node. So if you look here, if you look over here, it has one node here, this one, and if you see this one, it has node over here. So if you combine these both systems, that is pi minus p or pi star plus p, what we get is we get equivalent to, so where should I write? I can write over here. तो सीधा बराबर ही लिखना है. We get equivalent to this one. That means in between you have a node and only on the terminal sides you have lobe. So I can write like this. Okay, this is equivalent to it. So now what about its symmetry? It has one node and symmetry.
Mirror asymmetric.
Mirror
Mirror
asymmetric.
asymmetric C2 symmetry. Psi 3 star, number of nodes?
Sir,
2. Symmetry?
sir, mirror symmetric.
Symmetric ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ?
Sir, symmetric.
NOD ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖਦੇ? ਇੱਥੇ
Sir, symmetric ਹੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ.
ਹਾਂ, mirror symmetric C2 asymmetric. So this is your orbitals. Okay. Now these are your simple orbitals. So what will be in case of carbocation? In case of carbocation, what will be your HOMO and LUMO? So in carbocation, you have total 2 pi electrons. So that means you have a two. चलो पास नीचे बनाने. ये हो गया note?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So let us see what will happen in case of carbocation. Carbanion and a free radical. Cation, you have a psi 1, psi 2. 2 pi electron, they will be in psi 1. So this non-bonding molecular orbital is LUMO. Now in this case, you have a psi 1, psi 2, psi 3 star. So which is your HOMO and LUMO? In this case, anion. बोलो कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन है टोटल?
4 answer.
4. Carbanion will be here and this will be vacant. So this will be your HOMO. Psi 2 will be HOMO and this will be your LUMO. Now in this case, in case of allylic free radical,
3.
The
3.
3
So
left.
you have psi 1, 1. So again this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one question is for you. You have to draw frontier molecular orbitals. Draw front for this one. Bond CH2, CH, single bond CH2 positive, negative or free radical. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 1, 3 penta di. Yeah, carbon या free radical same ही होंगे. So you have to draw their frontier molecular orbitals. क्योंकि bonding molecular orbital, okay, 1 non bonding molecular orbital होएगा और 4 electron anti bonding molecular और pi1, pi2, p and corresponding that you have a pi 3 star and pi 4 star. So what will be possible combinations?
Sir, pi 1 plus pi 2 plus p.
Yes, lowest one will be pi 1 plus pi 2 plus p. उसके बाद next
Sir,
plus
pi
pi
1
2 minus p.
pi 2
तीसरा
minus p.
Pi 1 minus pi 2 plus p.
next कद होएगी when both are additive. Plus pi 4 star minus p. And last one
Negative.
हो गए 6 हो गए ना 5 sorry 5 हो गए ना. So these two will be your bonding. This will be non-bonding. Okay, 2 will be of same energy. 2 will be of same energy. So these two will be of same energy. These two will be of same energy. जो आपने पिछले केस देखा है. So this will be your psi 1, psi 2. This will be your psi 3. This will be your psi 4 star and psi 5 star. So these two will be your anti-bonding. This will be non-bonding and these two will be bonding. Is it clear? हो जाएगा?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to draw it. Okay, so yesterday I told you a few things. Let us again remind those things. So the very first thing I told you that if you have a psi n, if n is symmetry, what about terminal lobes? Terminal lobes,
Same
if n is
sign.
odd,
Same sign.
have same sign or opposite sign? Same. If n is even, then mirror asymmetric, C2 symmetric, opposite sign. Okay, you have to remember this thing. So let us start with the very first kind of pericyclic reaction, which is your electrocyclic reaction. Okay. Now, what are these electrocyclic reactions? You can write down. These are reactions in which either a ring is formed with formation of new sigma bond with formation of pi bond, or ring is opened with loss of sigma bond pi bond. And all this take place via formation of a concerted cyclic transition state with cyclic movement of electrons. सारा कुछ किमें होएगा via formation of cyclic transition state. So what are electrocyclic reaction? In this reaction, either ring is formed with the formation of new sigma bond at cost of pi bond, or ring is open. Ring open होएगी with loss of sigma bond and formation of pi bond. So let us see the example. Suppose you have a very simple example, 1,3-butadiene. This is 1,3-butadiene. This butadiene. So this 1,3-butadiene can undergo an electrocyclic reaction like this. Here at this carbon and this carbon, there will be a formation of single bond. So you get this new sigma bond. So ring is closed with the formation of new sigma bond. Or sigma bond किमें form होया? At cost of one of the pi bonds. So one pi bond will shift over here and one pi bond has involved in the formation of a sigma bond. So this is your ring forming or ring closing electrocyclic reaction. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or ring open की होगी? Reverse of this reaction. That means if I break this sigma bond, so this will shift over here, this will shift over here. So ring opening take place with the loss of sigma bond. So this sigma bond is lost and there's a formation of new pi bond. So that will be reverse reaction, ring opening reaction. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Similarly, if I take some bigger system like 1,3,5 hexatriene, so the double bond, 6 carbon, 1,3,5 hexatriene. The ring close किमें होएगी? Suppose this is the ring close किमें होएगी? By reaction between which and which carbon?
6 carbon वाला हो जाएगा.
1 and 6. ठीक है? तो ये वाला डबल बॉन्ड इससे वे शिफ्ट हो जाएगा in between carbon number 1 and 6. ठीक है? और 5 वाला 6 वाला इधर शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. This will be it. So you can see this is a cyclic shift of electrons. Electrons किमें shift हो रहे हैं एक cycle दे विच. And your product will become like this. So there's a formation of new sigma bond at the cost of pi bond. तो इथे total 3 pi bond ने और इथे कितने pi bond रह गए? Bond. Reverse reaction किमें होएगी? What will be reverse reaction ring opening?
Sir, 1/6
Sigma
sigma
bond.
bond को shift हो जाएगा.
1/6 the sigma bond break कर जाएगा, so it will shift over here, this will shift over here, this will shift over here. So again you can see there's a cyclic movement of electrons and you will get back this product. So these kind of reactions, they are called electrocyclic reactions. Very simple. So what are electrocyclic reactions? Bolo?
The formation of new sigma bond at cost of pi bond.
These are the reactions in which either ring is formed. की बनेगी ring बनेगी, cyclic product बनेगा. These are the reactions in which cyclic product or cyclic ring is formed either by formation of new sigma bond at cost of pi bond, or ring opening take place by loss of sigma bond with formation of a new pi bond. And all these things that take place via cyclic transition state. The किहड़ी transition state involved होंदी है? Cyclic.
Cyclic.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let me tell you a very basic thing about this. How sigma bond is formed? मैं थोड़ा कल भी दस्सिया सी. Sigma bond is formed by the head over head overlapping. So and if you have this atomic orbital, if both are in same sign, they will undergo head over head overlapping.
Sign opposite.
When lobes of
Opposite.
two opposite signs they overlap. In that case, there will be a sigma star. So reaction will take place sign they overlap. So when lobes of two same sign they overlap, there will be a formation of sigma bond. When lobes of opposite sign they overlap, there will be formation of sigma star, and reaction does not take place. So reaction will take place only in this case. Now the second diene, you have this molecule, and these are the lobes. Okay, these are the lobes. Electrocyclic reaction. That means केड़ा molecular orbital reaction ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ participate करता है? Homo. ठीक है, केड़ा participate करेगा? Homo. Now suppose this is a homo of 1,3-butadiene. ठीक है, एक ही homo of 1,3-butadiene. I am not writing sign here. मैं plus minus भी लिख लिया. ठीक है. Now what about these two lobes? They are parallel or they are parallel or they are perpendicular? What they are? Both lobes.
Parallel.
This lobe एक ही ने आपस में parallel ने. So can they undergo this head over head overlapping in this state?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Okay, they are parallel ने. ठीक है, they are parallel, so they can't undergo head over head overlapping. So in order to undergo head over head overlapping, what they will do, what they do, sigma bond तो ताही बनेगा if they undergoes, if they become like this, that means एम overlap कर बॉन्ड बन जाएगा ये वाला. So what they should do?
90-degree rotate.
Yes, these terminal lobes they should rotate. Since these terminal lobes in HOMO they are parallel to each other, to form a sigma bond they must undergo head over head overlapping, so they must rotate. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So in stereochemistry there are approach for electrocyclic reactions. Now there are two ways which these lobes can rotate. What are those two ways? Now suppose you have, suppose you have this system. Okay, so what are two possible ways by which these lobes they can rotate and they can undergo head over head over head overlapping? Rotate. Yes, bolo. There are two possible ways by which these lobes can rotate to form a sigma bond. दो कॉम्बिनेशन बनते ने जिस विच रोटेट कर सकदियां ने दोनों. बोलो किहड़े कॉम्बिनेशन ने? वेरी इजी. की कॉम्बिनेशन बनते ने, दोनों ने रोटेट करना है. ठीक है, रोटेट करके पैरेलल ने रोटेट करके किवें चल जाएंगे हेड ओवरलैपिंग करना. तो दोनों किवें रोटेट कर सकदियां ने? की दो पॉसिबल वेज ने रोटेट करन दे. चलो, this lobe, it suppose it rotates like this, ठीक है, clockwise, and suppose this lobe it rotates like this, anti-clockwise. So both lobes they are rotating in the same direction or in opposite direction?
Opposite.
Opposite direction.
Opposite. So one condition is both lobes they can move in opposite direction, one clockwise, another anti-clockwise. This is called disrotatory motion. They will undergo a rotation and then head over head overlapping to give rise to a corresponding product. What is second way in which they can rotate? होता दस दो
सर. ऑपोजिट रोटेट हो जाएंगी. एक
ऑपोजिट तो कर लिया बेटे, याद देख, एक क्लॉकवाइज कर ली, एक एंटी क्लॉकवाइज कर ली. हुन की करांगे? इन सेम डायरेक्शन when both like here and this is here, दोनों की ने क्लॉकवाइज या दोनों एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. So in that case again they rotate in the same direction. It is called con rotatory motion. So there are two possibilities by which electrocyclic ring closing can take place. One is by this rotatory motion of terminal orbitals, and second is con rotatory motion of terminal orbital. What happens in this rotatory motion? Both lobes they undergo rotation in
Opposite direction.
opposite direction, okay, towards each other. And in con rotatory motion they undergo a rotation in the same. Okay, so one is disrotatory, another is con rotatory. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now reaction किस केस से विच होएगी? Reaction किस केस से विच होएगी? डिस ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ, ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ, but condition ਕੀ ਹੈ? ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ lobes ਇੱਥੇ combine ਕਰ ਰਹੀਆਂ they must have same sign. अगर same sign नहीं होएगा reaction will not take place. Is it clear? और ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹੜੀਆਂ lobes ਲੈਣੀਆਂ ਨੇ? Homo of your systems, minus plus minus. Suppose ਕਰੋ ਇਹ ਸਾइन ਸੀ ਨਾ lobes ਦਾ, ਤਾਂ disrotatory ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ रिएक्शन होएगी या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
प्लस इधर नु आ गया, प्लस इधर नु आ गया, इत्थे की दोनों प्लस प्लस आ गए. और कौन रोटेटरी दे विच?
नो सर,
नो, क्योंकि प्लस इत्थे आ गया, माइनस इधर आ गया, you get plus minus. So this same sign they overlap, and they can overlap by two ways, either by disrotatory motion or by con rotatory motion. You got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So bete in evening we will start with the examples. Okay, we will start with your 4n pi electron system first. 4, ठीक है, pericyclic reaction 4n pi electron system. Okay,
सर लेक्चर हुनी कंटिन्यू कर लो, शाम ਨੂੰ ਰਹਿਣ ਦੋ.
बेटे मेरी मैं अगे अपना इधर स्टार्ट करना है 2:15 बजे. मैं लंच भी नहीं किया.
ओके सर,
ठीक है. ਹੁਣ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ 2 ਵਜੇ ਬੰਦ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ, 2:05 ਤੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. ਫਿਰ ਉਧਰ ਲੰਚ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ ਭੱਜ ਕੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. ਫਿਰ ਮੈਂ ਵਾਪਸ ਉਧਰ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ. 1:30 ਵਜੇ ਮੈਂ ਉਧਰੋਂ ਵਿਹਲਾ ਹੋਇਆ.
ओके सर.
ठीक है. सो बेटे कोई गल नहीं, वी विल मीट एट 6. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है। So we will start with your 4n pi electron system and what we have learned is ਇੱਕ ਤਾਂ ਅਗਰ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਸਾਈ ਐਨ ਓਡ ਹੈ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਦੇਖੋ ਇੱਥੇ ਟਰਮੀਨਲ ਲੋਬਸ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਦੇਖਣੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਤਾਂ ਟਰਮੀਨਲ ਲੋਬਸ ਕੀ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ, ਤਾਂ ਟਰਮੀਨਲ ਲੋਬਸ ਕੀ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ, ਆਪੋਜ਼ਿਟ ਸਾਈਨ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਗੱਲ ਆਪਣੇ ਪੱਲੇ ਬੰਨ ਲਓ। ਦੂਸਰੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਹੈ, ਹੋਮੋ। ਕੀ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਇੱਥੇ, ਸਿਰਫ ਹੋਮੋ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, 2 ਸਾਈ 3 ਸਟਾਰ ਸਾਈ 4 ਸਟਾਰ। ਤਾਂ ਹੋਮੋ ਕਿਹੜਾ 1,3 ਬਿਊਟੇਟਾਈਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ,
ਸਾਈ 2
ਸਾਈ 2। 2 ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨ ਇੱਥੇ ਨੇ, 2 ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨ ਇੱਥੇ ਨੇ, ਸੋ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ योर ਹੋਮੋ। ਸੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਲਵਾਂਗੇ, ਸਾਈ 2। ਔਰ ਸਾਈ 2 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਟਰਮੀਨਲ ਲੋਬਸ ਦਾ ਸਾਈਨ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਸੇਮ ਜਾਂ ਆਪੋਜ਼ਿਟ,
Opposite.
opposite
ਆਪੋਜ਼ਿਟ। ਤਾਂ ਬਸ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਘੁਮਾ ਕੇ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਕਿਸ ਕੇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੇਮ ਸਾਈਨ ਓਵਰਲੈਪਿੰਗ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ। ਅਗਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਸੇਮ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਐਕਸਾਈਟਿਡ ਸਟੇਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਰੀਏ ਇਨ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਸ ਆਫ ਲਾਈਟ, ਤਾਂ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਹੋਮੋ ਬਣ ਜਾਏਗਾ,
psi 3 star
psi 3 ਸਟਾਰ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨ psi 2 ਤੋਂ ਜੰਪ ਕਰ ਜਾਏਗਾ psi 3 ਸਟਾਰ ਐਂਡ ਦਿਸ ਵਿਲ ਬਿਕਮ योर ਨਿਊ ਹੋਮੋ। ਤਾਂ ਲਾਈਟ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਸ ਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਦੇਖਾਂਗੇ ਵੀ ਕੌਣ ਰੋਟੇਟਰੀ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਡਿਸ ਰੋਟੇਟਰੀ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਇਜ਼ ਇਟ ਕਲੀਅਰ?
yes
Yes.
sir
Okay, so we will continue at 6 p.m.